Hello everyone. So today we are looking at how to convert your JPEG files to PDF on an iPad. So for that you can either choose the Files app over here or you can get the Photos app. So for this video we are using the Photos app, the simplest route. So let's click on the Photos app and select any picture out of these. So let's select this picture for now, and I need to convert this to PDF. So here you will click the share icon, and my photo app is not loading completely because I'm using that stack feature or some feature from the iPad, so which allows me to switch the applications easily. So anyways, so in this, click the share icon over here. In this share icon, in the options below, you need to select print, and if this option is not available, you have to search the option over here on this particular strip or the section, and if it is not available over here, you can click on more, and then you can add the options from here and click on done. You have to click on edit, and then it will ask you to add the options from here, and once you click done and done over here, you will see the option here or in here. So for now I have the option present in this particular menu, so I'll click on print, and here don't worry, you don't require a printer for that. You don't have to use a printer for that. Now in here you just have to zoom in like this, zoom in, which is pinch out, and now just click on the share icon over here and I'll save it to the files. So I'm going on this iPad, I'm going to my Brave browser, and I'll click on photo, and we'll see it, save it as video demo, and I'll click on save. So once I've clicked on save, let me go to the option of files, and here I'm already in that folder because I tested it before making a video, and here if you see, I have the file as PDF saved for me and saved for my use. So if you click here on the notch, it will say PDF document. So this is how easy and interesting it is on iPad to convert your image file to a PDF. Thank you for watching.